Jess here, and welcome to a video here. If you've seen what's it called, the Cookie Dough Club, I've made a new account because I think it's going to be a lot better. I will do other videos like vlogs and things, but today is a vlog about my dog. So if you've seen my gingerbread Cookie Dough Club video of my first Minecraft video, I said I've got a German Shepherd. Well, she's just here lying down. She's called Jazz, and she's, how old are you? Yeah, she's 5. Just come on, don't be lazy. Come on, look at that. Oh, Jazz, don't go inside the box. Sorry. Just come here. Sit. Look at the camera. Jazz. Oh, she's annoying sometimes. Just sit. Look at that. Stop biting me. Stop. Oh. She's annoying. Jazz, come here. This might take a while. Sit. Good girl. Can you see her? Look at her. No. Stop biting me. She's not usually this vicious. Lie down. Let me move the camera. You can see her. That's it. Smile to the camera, Jess. And then lick it. This is me and my doggy. Harry! She's staring at the camera. Wave. No. Just wave to the camera. Ooh. Stop. Look at the camera. Look, see her. Good girl. Stop. You. Stop biting. No biting. Kiss. Oi. Give a kiss. Jazzy. Oi. Jazz. Kiss. Stop eating stuff off the floor. Oh no, it's one of them. Don't eat it. Sorry, she's eating stuff, but she always eats stuff off the floor. So I tried to show you. So stop. Go away. Go. So I tried to show you. So I will be doing other videos. But for now, bye.